carnage and chaos over here at Sand Hollow from this week. The weather was horrible, so I'm not gonna lie, we didn't get near as much good footage as we usually do. The wind was just insane out here this year, so we're gonna give you some of the carnage shots. The only way you pretty much got on camera is if you were just smoking fools down or if you were wrecking your car. So here's some of the highlights from the week at Sand Hollow at UTV Takeover. At the Sand Drags Unlimited class, Handsome Performance had a couple cars there, LaRue had a few cars there, and Packard had a ton of cars there too. Lifting the car, swap the paddles. LaRue and Packard ended up being those two for the battle at the end. Both of their cars rolled to the end, broke down, and so they ended up doing a foot race, and Packard got the win from the foot race. But mad props to these guys coming out showing these fast cars because they scream. There was a lot of rollovers, carnage from this week at Sand Hollow, Rally on the Rocks, even the Sand Drags Unlimited class. I mean, cars were breaking left and right. So when you throw that much power out of them, I guess that's what happens.
A minute 18, he full sending everything.
Yeah, there wasn't one thing.
You're getting second, unless you want to break your car.
I ain't breaking my car.
Rally on the Rocks was cool to watch. On to the short course. Scared the crap out of the green car with the two-step because he just never took off. So I just got the win automatically on that. Didn't get to do a lap. And then I had to go against BJ, which is a guy that wins it almost every year, if not every year. But BJ, Colton, and Dustin Vibey were just crushing it out there because they had to slow down going through the intersections to let the other guy go through without running into him, which is, you got to be really smoking fools down to do that. As I was sizing up these guys in the parking lot, this Turbo S was probably the biggest sleeper of them all. He did really good. That dude was scooting for a car that didn't look like it was going to be the fastest one.
Got it by a lot. Over the berm.
Here's the end. Whiskey Throttle against Whiskey Throttle. What is it? Dustin and Colton, I think. Now it's his car. They each got a DNF.
Whiskey Throttle going to win.
Yep.
Dustin and Colton go against each other for the last race. It's best out of 3. They each break down once. Ends up just being a 1 race format, and Colton gets the win. My props there. Good job, Colton.
If you'd like to save yourself a couple bucks and make your car a lot faster, go to Pro EFI on their website. 15% off if you type in Desert SXS. So go there. Also, if you'd like a discount on Packard wheels or MTS Offroad suspension parts, we have them on our own website. Save yourself a couple bucks. If you'd like to check out our website, go in the description below, click on more, and then to our Shopify website, and then that's where you can get MTS suspension, merch. Also, if you'd like to donate on our Patreon, you're welcome to do that. We really appreciate it. If you'd like to keep these videos coming, give us some love and give us some support. Thanks for subscribing. If you'd like to support the people that support us, RPM has been very supportive of us, and we really appreciate that. Support RPM. Thanks for tuning in, and thanks for watching.